Hey y'all, welcome back to Jemonica K. I know it has been a minute since I posted a video, but I am back. Today I am showing you all just an updated hair routine video. As you can see, my hair has grown out a lot since the last video that I made. I do want to add that I am not a professional. I'm just going to show you all the products that I use in my hair and what works for my hair. And yeah, so let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I already have my makeup done because me and my husband getting ready to go on this little date. But this is how this hair is looking. I decided to give you all a little updated video of this hair. I'm going to insert a picture of the length that my hair was this time last year. Has it been a year? I don't know. I'll let y'all know how long it's been. I put some in the video to let y'all know how long it's been. But this is it. I washed it this morning, so it's dry. And this is how it's looking. I have not put anything in it after I washed it. I just kind of was doing some things around the house and let it air dry. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this tutorial. And I don't have, I'm not a hair expert. I'm just basically showing you all what I do with my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of my, my husband thought, he thought I was going out. He thought I was going out with my hair. He said, oh, you wearing a fro look today? I said, not today, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rock it one day. But I'm like, not today. I got a certain look that I'm going for today. But I'm gonna show you the products that I will be using. And yeah, let me get everything together and then I'll be back. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna use is some good old H2O. This is actually my daughter's water bottle, but I like it. I think I'm gonna order me one from Amazon. She had me ordered from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate this hair and try to get it under control. I'm gonna show you everything else that I'm using. I'm gonna be using this Creme of Nature curl pudding. I kind of go back and forth with this one and then the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I really like this one, and both of them smell good. And then I'm gonna use some of the Xtreme gel. I used to only use the Eco Styler, but my daughter has me hooked on this gel, so I'm gonna use this gel. I'm gonna add just some black castor oil. And then I'm gonna use some of the Got To Be glue on my edges. Now, if you watch my last hair video, I basically use the same items with the exception of the wetline gel. I didn't know anything about that back then, but so yeah, that's basically it that I'm using. I'm gonna add a little of this. I'm not gonna add a lot of the curl cream because I'm basically gonna use the curl cream. I'm basically gonna use the gel. I'm going to start by adding some gel to the back of my hair and just kind of twisting my hair in this motion to add the coils to it.
Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Now, I would recommend parting your hair into maybe 4 sections. And, pinning each section up and just working one section at a time. But I was actually rushing, trying to go ahead and get my hair done. And I also wanted to get a video up for you guys. So, you can do that and not do it like I'm doing it right here. Because you may miss some parts, which you will see later in the video. I did miss one little small section in the back.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
Also, if you don't want to spend the time to coil your hair, you can just take some gel, add it to your hair, comb through it like this, and you can use like a dimming brush or something like that to kind of just comb through it, and then those curls will bounce up if you don't want to take the time or have the time for coils.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
And this area is where I like to go in with my Got To Be glue because it really holds it down. I like to kind of go in there with that just to kind of lay this area down a little bit because I personally like this area laid down a little bit.
I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I wanted to kind of play around with the front because I didn't know if I wanted my coils to go, like facing the right, or if I wanted them to go towards the front. So here you see me just kind of playing around with those to see exactly how I want to do those. As you can see, I am still at it. I have my music playing in the background. How many of you ladies like to play music while you're doing your hair? But anyway, I'm not going to bore you guys showing you the whole entire process. I will come back on and show you when I get closer to being done. Yay! I am finally done, y'all. I am finally done. Look at that movement. Look at that movement. As you can see, I am all done. So I like to take these wrap strips and put them around like the bottom portion of my hair because I like to get that taper look, being that my hair has grown out and I am trying my best not to cut it. So I like to just use this method to get the back of my hair to appear to be shorter than the top.
And keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in the melody.
My daughter came in and she fixed a few areas that I missed, like right in the crown of my head. So you will see her just kind of telling me I missed a few spots. And just kind of going in and fixing those spots for me.
You can't keep holding on to your past.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.